Welcome to Opus Hotel, Vancouver's only Forbes 4-star boutique hotel, situated in historic Yaletown, surrounded by the city's best restaurants, boutiques, and waterfront. Our complimentary bikes are available to cruise the nearby seawall or indulge in a chauffeured drop-off within Vancouver. Home to the iconic Opus Bar, where innovative cocktails await you in a warm and sophisticated setting. Join us in award-winning La Pentola. Enjoy simple handmade pasta and traditional Northern Italian cuisine served family style. Rooms have been designed with eclectic style, ranging from modern minimalist to luxuriously lavish. We're proud to have been included in TripAdvisor's top 5 trendiest hotels in the world. Our intimate boutique environment ensures you'll receive our undivided attention. Uniquely stylish and always fresh, Opus Hotel redefines the boutique hotel experience.